as Associate Director on our Integrated Marketing Communications team, and I oversee the functions of partnerships, promotions, public relations, and licensing. As a whole, there are a lot of functions that live on our group that really are a shared service and support the brands in service of achieving their objectives for the year. So that encompasses not only the functions that I manage, which are PR, promotions, partnerships, and licensing, but also all of our paid and social media, and also all of our shopper marketing efforts directed directly at retailers and consumers. What's great about our roles is that we work with the brands really closely to set these clear objectives, problems that they're trying to solve or overcome, and our role is really to internalize those and use all of the facets of the different functions that live on our group to figure out the most effective and efficient ways to build a comprehensive integrated marketing plan that will help them achieve those goals.